Welcome back, Flare Community. As you can see here, we are just on the verge of passing 40,000 subscribers, and you know, this is a huge milestone for me, and I'm absolutely humbled to receive so much support from the community. It's an honor to be creating videos surrounding both the Flare network, the Songbird network, we've got Flare Finance, Trustline, Probity Vault, we've got 888, The New World, we've got Sparkles, and we have another project coming soon, and all will be revealed in 2 weeks' time. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about the new NFT in the Flare Community NFT collection, fourth in the series. So for those of you who don't know, I do actually have a collection up on Rarible, and as you can see here, it consists of these three. We have the Golden Egg, which is the very first, with just 10 being minted. We have the NFT Riddler, which has a mintage of 20. We have the third one, which is the Launchpad, and each of these represents a milestone. This one being 10,000 subscribers, second one representing 20,000 subscribers, the third one representing 30,000 subscribers, and soon the fourth in the series, which will represent 40,000 subscribers. Now, these particular NFTs, the way that I've distributed them is basically anyone holding this particular NFT, once we reach 40,000 subscribers, will get the fourth NFT airdrop to them. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here on the live stream. Now, I really want to I want to distribute this NFT, but I also am very curious to see how much Ethereum it costs. So we're going to do that as well. And we're just waiting for this one last subscriber, and then we can begin. There we go, 40,000. Wow, absolutely incredible. In fact, I have a beer at the ready. Celebration. Thank you very much, everyone. I really do appreciate the support. So let's get to minting this NFT. The first thing we're going to do is take a snapshot of the NFT in question, which is the Launchpad here. So we're going to copy this URL and we're going to paste it here. And this will give us a list of all the current owners. Now, I do own a fair bit of them. Here we go. So I own 12, and these are the remaining 18 people who have them. And these are the addresses of the owners. So everyone that holds one of these is going to get an NFT absolutely free. So let's get to minting it. And you know, this NFT is actually really great, and I'm really excited to show you. But actually, before we do, I'd just like to give you a reminder that I'm also going to be doing a 40,000 subscriber giveaway. So this giveaway is actually going to include a number of different things. We're going to have the results of this Decent wallet. So I'm going to be giving away a physical Decent wallet. Great device. And in fact, if you don't win, there's a link in the description below for 50% off. I'm also going to be giving away 3 NFTs created by none other than the NFT Riddler, who actually creates all of the NFTs in this particular collection. So I'm going to be giving this Decent Wallet NFT away, this one, and also this one. And it's going to be randomly selected, and members of the Flare Community YouTube channel will definitely get a benefit as a member. So one of these NFTs is going to go to a family member, and another one is going to go to a sponsor of the Flare Community channel. So let's get to the minting of this new fourth NFT. And I am going to speed it up, so don't worry, guys. I'm just going to quickly run through this, find out the total, and then I'm going to reveal the NFT to you guys. So let's begin. So the minting cost for that particular NFT was $41.66. So while we're waiting for this new NFT to mint, I'd just like to bring your attention to the NFT Riddler, who is an absolute legend within the space. He's got his own website here, and you know, he's collaborated with me and he's made all of the NFTs in this series. And we have obviously them all here, number 1, number 2, and number 3. And he's very talented, and I just want to give a special shout out to him. Please feel free to check out his website and check out some of his other collection. You know, he has some incredible NFTs, as I'm sure you may have already seen. And he's also doing various NFTs on different platforms now as well. So very interesting indeed. Be sure to check them out. So let's see if it is minted. Give this a quick refresh. Here we go. Still thinking about it, but yeah, we're pretty much there, and now I can progress. So what I'm going to do is there we go. What I'm going to be doing is getting the owners off this list and sending them, transferring them as an airdrop. So let's begin. So we have the initial cost of $41.66 to actually mint the NFT. So let's see how much it's going to cost to transfer. Pick up this one here. Transfer. Just the one. And it looks like $11.48. So I'm going to write that down. So let me fast forward, and we're going to confirm this at the end. $11.75. Ooh, $11.92. I must be congesting the network with my 3 transactions there. $11.99. Again, this congestion pushing up the price. I'm not sure Ethereum can handle it. You actually can't make this up. I wonder what the price of the gas fees is going to be at the end. So another one, $12.05. $12.13. $12.33. $12.36, hashtag congestion. $12.38, still climbing. Ooh, $12.38, again, stabilizing. That's 3 in a row for $12.38. Oh, it's gone up again, $12.39. Another at $12.39. Ooh, the first time it's decreased back to $12.38. $12.36. $12.35. $12.34. $12.34 again. And I always give 10% to the legend who is the NFT Riddler, which in this case will be 4. Whoops. Let's try that again. 4. Finally, $12.32. So there we go. That's the airdrop completed. And now I'm going to actually introduce you to the NFT. Apologies for making you wait. And yes, here it is, the 4th in the series, the Samurai Spirit. So I just finished adding up all of the gas fees, and it totals to $261.30. Now, I think this is absolutely ridiculous, and this is the strong need for an NFT platform which is, very cheap, and I can't wait to transfer all of these NFTs over to the Flare network. And that's the reason why I'm actually hosting on the Ethereum network, because they both interact with Ethereum contracts. The Flare network has the EVM integrated, and it's going to allow these NFTs to be ported over from one network to another. So that summarizes this video. I really hope you enjoy the new NFT. And remember, if you're holding this, once we surpass 50,000 subscribers, you will get the 50,000 subscriber NFT absolutely free. And that goes all the way up to 100,000 subscribers. So if you get this next NFT, you can basically get 6 in 1, providing you just hold. So thanks again everyone for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe because the 40,000 subscriber giveaway is going to happen soon, and I've got lots to give away, especially to members, so that's something to definitely look forward to. So with that being said, until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.